Welcome back to my channel, gorgeous people. Hope you're all having an amazing day. Hope you're having an amazing week as well. Thank you all for your likes, thank you for your comments and your subscriptions as well. Thank you to my old and my new subscribers. I appreciate you all. God bless you all. If today is your first time coming across my channel, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and please turn your notification bell as well in order for you to know whenever I upload. For today's video, it's going to be about my very simple winterproof makeup tutorial, and at the same time I will be doing my first impression about foundation, stick foundation. Okay, a stick foundation. I've been using more of creamy foundation and sometimes I use powder foundation. I've never tried stick foundation before, so today is going to be my first impression. I don't know how the coverage is going to be. Surprise. Okay, so this is the concluding part of this video, and quickly I would like you guys to know that this eyeshadow that I featured, it's more advisable to use it when you wet your brush because it has a lot of fallout. I had to clean my face over and over again before I could be able to apply my makeup. And for real, this foundation, stick foundation, okay, actually I like it. I like how it feels. It's super easy to apply, just some stroke here and there. Then you all saw it, I used my beauty blender to blend it, and this is my simple and easy winterproof makeup. You can see the glow is there. It's not dry. In winter you need something to actually hydrate your skin, which is super this one. Okay, this will hydrate your skin while you have your makeup on. You can use it to set or to refresh your makeup. So watching this video, if you're wondering about my hair, I decided to cut it because it wasn't healthy at the middle section. It was just not growing in the way it's supposed to go with the rest of my hair. So I decided to cut it and just, you know, live my simple and easy life. I've got a lot of wigs that I can put on if I really want to change my look, but this will be super easy for me to maintain. So thank you all for watching today. Please don't forget, like I said, leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think about this look, and please subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. Thank you all for watching, and I will see you all in my next video. Stay blessed. Bye.